Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to start a Google Hangout. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe with notification on our channel so you can get notified for our new videos. So let's get on with today's videos. So first, log into your Google account on your browser, and once you're logged in, then click on this thing which is at the top right corner, which is called Google Apps. Click on it, then scroll down until you find Google Hangouts. So this is the symbol for Google Hangouts. Click on Google Hangouts. Then as you guys can see, this is going to be shown if you're just new to Google Hangouts, and you can just click on this arrow over here. Click on it, click on it, click on it. So now with Google Hangouts, if you're new to Google Hangouts, you need to create a group first. Like over here, I have no group, so I'm going to click on this plus sign over here and then click on new group. And then to create a new group, I'm going to name this group first. I'm going to name it YouTube. Now, you can add people by entering their email, phone number, or their name in Google Hangouts. So I'm going to add people by entering email. So let me enter there. So this is going to be the first one. I'm going to invite him to join this group. And the other person I'm going to invite is... So these are the people who I'm going to add in this group. I'm going to click on tick. And then this thing is loading up. Just wait for some time. Now the invite has been sent to these two people. So once they accept it, they will be joined in this group. So this is how they will receive the invite, as you guys can see over here on the conversation. So I invited myself over here. This is my another account. So I'm going to press and accept. And I'm added to this group over here. So as you guys can see, let me type over here now. So yeah, that's how you get started in Google Hangouts. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And yeah, you can also have conversation with a single person. Like, you don't have to create a group. I can just click on this and I can have a private chat. And if he accepts this invite, then I can have a private chat with him as well. So yeah, I'm signing out. Have a nice day, everybody. Peace out. And don't forget to subscribe with notification on as well. Have a nice day, everybody. Peace out.